Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any website or use Google Play Store on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this, first let's start with Google Play Store. Here, if we try to open it, as you can see there's no internet connection, but we have Wi-Fi connected. The same is with Google Chrome or any other browser. So if we try to reach, for example, YouTube, we have this error. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings. Locate the system at the bottom, enter date and time, and right here enable set time automatically. Now if you go back to your Google Play Store, it works fine. And the same is with Google Chrome, so we can try to reach YouTube again, and it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.